Our native plate. Huh? Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to another episode of African Village Life. So in today's video, we are basically in my village community market. We're in a rural market right now. So we are here to buy some food item. We're going to make some authentic African delicacy called battle in my local dialect. So I want you guys to stay tuned, come along with me. Let's go inside the market and find out the cost of foodstuffs here in this rural market and the cost of living in this community. So this community is called Okaito and is under Okehi local government area of Kogi State, Nigeria. Thank you guys and keep watching this video. I have a last. This is another species of eggplant. So this one is commonly used for a soup here in my community. I don't know why I cover for the soup. It's okay. Auntie, this is for the yam. Oh, complete. In my previous video, you guys all know that I'm currently in my village exploring the village, having the best time of my life with the old people in the village. So I'm currently in the market buying some few stuff. So we're going to be making authentic African local delicacy in the house. So I want you guys to stay tuned and keep watching this video. This is our local delicacy made from maize flour. This is from corn flour. Local delicacy made from corn flour.
Amata nama.
Kok bisa dimahin loh, apa?
Wow, ini lah wow. Ikan dong ada sih. Ini beda kan dek.
Ichakoro yo, orang masih cakoro tuh.
Ini bagus, orang masuk.
Itu ada ya sih. Ya beda no heda nan. Wow. Hah? Our native plate and our native spoon and our native pot. If you want your meal to taste so good, cook with this clay pot. You'll get the best taste. Oh, you're son, oh, my man. Oh, I want no son in now. Yeah, that's it. Mama, many leather. Yeah, my son, I'm not. Mama, show you 200.
Mama, I love her.
Cô bé ơi, cô bé nó nè, ta có, ít ra bẻ, anh ra bẻ bạn nè, bạn này vậy nè, đây mấy bạn nhớ kỹ.
This is original shea butter.
Original.
Only 200 naira.
Không được tin nhờ không?
Ami o.
Đâu qua.
Ami. Okay, I'm not saying right. $250
Oh, mali hiyo na nako da. Ala sisa kwa.
Oh, okay, ala sisa kwa. Don't miss ito kunya. Ano yan? Here. Okay, mama like. Oh, yeah, abo. Da. Abo. Wow, baka ma. Okay, ano pisa nila?
Ano ba hiyo?
Abang. Hah? Hey, you no, way too much. How much? 300. That's my price.
400 mil.
No, wow, so no lura tiya na. Ora becho. This is our local plate. Our native plate. Our native spoon. And our native pot. Market. Rural market. Despite the fact that rural market things are not that cheap. Things are not that cheap. Aba America no. Oh, e kako, hina na obi. We're going. Thank you guys for watching this video. We are done buying foodstuffs from this rural market, so we're heading back home. So we're gonna be preparing our local delicacy today. So stay tuned. Bye. Love you all.